Hi, so I'm Christoria Rutherford, and this is my intro video. Um, as far as what experience I've had with learning research, so as far as my undergrad, I did a research class, and we did use SPSS, I believe that's what it's called. Um, which I passed. It made sense to me at the time. Not sure if I can remember it now. But outside of that, I really haven't done too much more research, um, whether in school or as far as work is concerned. Um, what I what would make learning research fun for me? Um, hmm, as long as I can get it. I like numbers and math and things like that. So as long as it makes sense to me and it's something that I can apply it to real world and it makes sense, I will be fine. Um, after looking at the syllabus, what excites me about the course is actually the group work. I do think that the fictional agencies and actually seeing how research applies in that area is something that I'm actually very interested in. So I would like to know how all that plays. um, again, making it whatever it is that I learn, making it make sense in the real world. So um, that's it. That's all. Yep. All right. Well, I look forward to working with all of you in class and reading everyone's assignments and things like that. So good luck.